What's going on, guys? Corey from Yota Expedition. In this video, we're going to be going over the roof rack for the 5th gen 4Runner, the Crestone from Sherpa. So when it comes to Sherpa products, everything is made in the US, so you can assure that the quality is really good. And when it comes to the roof racks, they're really sleek, low profile. And when it comes to installation, it's super easy, and it's gonna take about an hour with 2 people. You don't have to do any sort of modifications to your truck. Everything just utilizes the factory holes on the top of your roof. And with this roof rack being low and sleek, you don't have to worry about the sunroof interfering with your roof rack, or if you have a rear ladder, you don't have to worry about that hitting when you go to open it as well. And when it comes to the Sherpa roof racks, the accessories are almost endless, from rear window panels to an assortment of different light brackets, awning brackets, tent brackets, you name it, they have it. So if you want to pick up this same roof rack for your 4Runner, it's available on yotaexpedition.com. I'll put the link down in the description for it. Thanks for watching.